I swear, Amanda, if you show up with a red lip, I'm gonna be so pissed.
My God, what color lip do you have on?
You traitor.
You're like the least intimidating person ever. You traitor.
You traitor.
Okay, everybody, I've never met a woman who hasn't been curious about how to rock a statement or bold lip.
Mm-hmm. And someone who isn't scared to do it.
Yeah, everybody's scared, so we're gonna help you.
So in this video, we're gonna share 3 tips so that you can rock a statement lip and feel confident doing it. How confident do you feel right now?
I feel very sassy, confident.
Yeah.
Yeah. Takes a while to get used to, but I like it.
The first tip is keeping your look fairly simple. That's using a light foundation, filling in your brows a little bit, put on a bit of mascara, curl those eyelashes, and then that's when you want to put on your statement lip because you want it to be the statement of your look. That's kind of the whole point. So by keeping the rest of your makeup quite simple, it allows you to rock a bit more of a dark, and statement doesn't even mean necessarily dark, it can just be something that really pops. So keep everything simple,
like
and then
done.
pop on a color, just like this.
Tip number 2 is just adding a little bit of that lip color to your cheeks. For some reason, it works. You just add a little bit of that lip color, dab it on the apples of your cheeks, and blend it out. One of our beautiful clients, Erica, this was a total game changer for her. She rocks this lip color, actually, Spela and Tinder, so flawlessly now that I showed her how to put a little on her cheeks and lips, and that's all she does.
Did it work for me?
For you?
Oh yeah, I just
yeah,
like smears of red on my face.
No, there we go. Here, I'll blend it for you.
Use a mirror always. Tip number 3, wearing a statement lip, as mentioned earlier, doesn't necessarily mean it has to be dark or opaque for that matter. If you are curious about wearing a color that you're maybe not comfortable with, something a bit brighter or darker than you're used to, you can actually use it as a stain. And so the way that we like to show people how to do this is taking a little bit on your finger and just kind of rubbing it onto your lips and just making it more of a wash. And that way you're getting that punch of color, but it's not like right in your face. And another thing is a lot of people are worried about wearing like a really crisp statement lip because when they eat or they drink, they're worried it's gonna like smear all over their face or come off. So by wearing a stain, it's a little bit of a safer option to play with that color a little bit more. Wearing the lip color as a stain is a really great option if you're first starting out, and then when your confidence grows a little bit and you're a little bit more comfortable, you can start wearing it a little bit more opaque and a little bit stronger.
Here's a bonus tip. I know not everybody likes a shiny finish when they wear the full application of lipstick, so just blot it with a tissue, take away a little bit of that shine, but you'll still have the depth of color in a more matte finish.
Bonus tip number, well, I guess it's bonus tip number 1, but tip number 4. Those of you with fair skin and softer features can actually wear a soft lip color that still has some color in it, and it is gonna look a bit bolder on you. So it may be safer for you to play in the softer kind of medium range of lip colors. It's still gonna give you that bold effect, but it's not gonna be super shocking or striking. If you want a more natural, everyday looking lip, make sure to click here where we have our 5 everyday lip color video.
We hope these few tips helped you. I know any woman can absolutely rock a bold or statement lip, and you know what? You just gotta wear it with confidence. Just put yourself out there.
And you just have to try it, to be honest. Like, you just gotta put it on your lips and
just do it.
Just do it. Just put it on.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up and liking it, commenting below, or sharing it with friends, family, or fellow natural beauty lovers.
And if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video.
So make sure to click the bell to subscribe. And as always,
see you on Tuesday.